Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin this tutorial, you'll need a few essential tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Make sure to have a soft cloth on hand as well. First, ensure that your laptop is turned off and unplugged from any power source. Remove the battery if your model allows it, as this adds an extra layer of safety. Next, locate the screws on the bottom panel of your HP Pavilion. You'll typically find several Phillips screws that need to be removed. Keep these screws organized, perhaps using a magnetic tray or a small container to prevent losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic prying tool to lift the bottom panel off. Be cautious as you do this. You want to avoid damaging any clips that may be holding the panel in place. With the bottom panel removed, we can now access the internals of the laptop. Before we proceed with cleaning, let's focus on the keyboard replacement. The keyboard is typically secured with additional screws or clips. Carefully check for any screws located near the keyboard area. If you find them, remove them using your Phillips screwdriver. After the screws are out, gently pry the keyboard up. Be mindful of any ribbon cables that may be connected. If you encounter any, carefully disconnect them using your flathead screwdriver or fingers, ensuring you don't damage the connectors. Now that the keyboard is out, it's time for the cleaning process. Use a soft cloth dampened with isopropyl alcohol to wipe down the internal components, focusing on areas that may have accumulated oil or dust. This cleaning will help maintain optimal performance and longevity of your laptop. If you're feeling uncertain about any of these steps or if you don't have the right tools, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our services include pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get the help you need without any hassle. There's no need for calls or travel, we bring the service to you. Now, let's replace the keyboard. Align the new keyboard with the connectors and gently press it into place. Reattach any ribbon cables and secure them firmly. Next, reinstall the screws you removed earlier, ensuring the keyboard is securely fastened. Finally, reattach the bottom panel of the laptop by aligning it properly and pressing down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Replace the screws on the bottom panel, securing everything tightly. Once you've completed these steps, reinsert the battery if it was removed, plug in your laptop, and power it on. Verify that the keyboard is functioning properly. If you encounter any issues or prefer to have a professional handle it, remember, we provide a quote before repair. This way, you know exactly what to expect without any surprises. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.